Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn CSS and HTML. Begin by understanding the fundamental structure of HTML. Focus on common tags like headings, paragraphs, and lists to build basic page content. Practice embedding images and creating hyperlinks to connect different parts of your site. This foundational knowledge is crucial for any web project, setting the stage for more complex designs. Mastering these elements will give you a solid starting point. Once you have a grasp of HTML, it's time to introduce CSS. Learn how to use CSS selectors to precisely target your HTML elements. Experiment with essential properties such as color, font size, and margin to control visual presentation. Practice applying these styles using both internal and external style sheets to see their effects. This step brings your web pages to life with visual appeal and consistent design. The best way to solidify your learning is by building practical projects. Start with small, focused tasks that allow you to apply specific HTML and CSS concepts. Try replicating layouts from existing websites to understand their structure and styling. Don't forget to experiment with responsive design principles, ensuring your creations look great on screens of all sizes. This hands-on approach is invaluable for true mastery. Web development is an ever-evolving field, so embrace continuous learning. Make MDN Web Docs your go-to resource for comprehensive documentation and examples. Engage with online coding communities to ask questions, share your progress, and learn from others. Staying updated with new web development trends and best practices will keep your skills sharp and relevant. This journey is about constant growth and exploration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.